Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on irrational numbers again. We are going to work and study some of the simplifications which are a very important part of working on irrational numbers. We all understand root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, they are all irrational numbers. Now this, when we say root, we use this symbol. This is root, say 3. This means 3 to the power half. Right? Degree is half. If I have root of 9, that means 9 to the power half, and 9 is 3 square to the power half. Now 2 into half is 1, so that is 3. Therefore root 9, which is 3, is rational and not irrational number. Whereas this is irrational number. Yes? If I have, say, root of 30. Yes? Now 30 is not a complete square. That's 30 to the power half. And you cannot further simplify it like this. So that is again irrational number. So irrational numbers are the numbers like root 3, root 30, root 7, root 8, root 9 rational because it is 3, root 16 rational because again it would be 4. All these irrational numbers, if we go for simplification, first important thing is, if I have root 2, it means 2 to the power half. If it is root 2 to the power 6, let's see what it becomes. Root 2 is 2 to the power half, 2 to the power 6. That means 2 into 1 by 2 into 6, that is 2 to the power 3, and that's 8. Yes? Root 2 is irrational, but root 2 to the power 6 became rational. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. How we got it? This is 2 to the power half. 2 to the power half to the power 6. So 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 6, that is 2 cube, that's 8. Suppose now I have root 3 to the power 5. Yes? Now root 3 again, 3 to the power half, to the power 5. Yes, that is 3 to the power 5 by 2. Right? 3 to the power 5 by 2, which is also 3 to the power 4 by 2 plus 1 by 2. I am separating 4 by 2 is divisible. So this is 3 square. When you add the power, it is multiplication of equal bases. Laws of exponents. Now this is 3 square, which is 9 root 3. That is 3 to the root 3 to the power 5. I can also work on this. There are different approaches of working on these numbers. What I have done here, root 3 to the power 5 is 3 to the power half into 5. 5 by 2 I separated as 4 by 2 plus 1 by 2 because 4 by 2 is 2. So 3 square into 3 to the power half because addition of power means multiplication of equal bases, and we got 9 root 3. Another way, root 3 to the power 5 is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Many of you will find this to be easier, but you should know this also because that's what is teaching you mathematics. Now root 3 into root 3 is 3. Yes? Root 3 into root 3, 3. Again root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. So that answer is 9 root 3. So whether you go this way or this way, answer is going to be the same. Right? I am going to work on some more questions for simplification like this. Suppose now I have root 7 to the power 3 means what? Root 7 into root 7 into root 7, right? Root 7 into root 7, 7. So 7. This root 7 remains as it is. So root 7 cube, it's 7 root 7. Now I have say root 2 to the power 4. Again it is root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. This is 2. This is 2. 2 2s are 4. So root 2 to the power 4 is 4. If I have say root 10 to the power 3. Yes. Now root 10. 3 times root 10 into root 10 into root 10. This is 10 and root 10 remains. But if I have root 10 to the power 4, that would be root 10 4 times. Yes. And as I said, it can be done in different ways. I'll show you the other way also. This is 10 and 10. 10 tens are 100. The other way, root 10 is 10 to the power half to the power 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is 2 and 10 square is 100. So whether you go this way or this way, you are going to get the same answer. That's what is simplification of these numbers. Now this symbol, which we read as square root, is also called as surds. S-U-R-D-S. Surds. This is also working on surds, right? Now, I would be listing some questions which you will simplify on your own, right? So it's say the first one you are going to work root 3 to the power 4. Second one, root of 10 to the power 5. The third one, root 2 to the power 10. Be careful. The fourth one, root of 11 to the power 3. The fifth one, root of say 15 to the power 4. Yes, you work on these. Let's do one more kind of simplification with irrational numbers. Suppose I have to add root 2 plus root 2. Now, root 2 one time plus root 2 one time. That is 2 times root 2. Yes, if I have 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Root 2 is same. 3 times root 2 plus 2 times root 2, that gives you 5 times root 2. Yes. But if I have root 2 plus root 3, I cannot add it because root 2 plus root 3, they both are unlike terms like x plus y. You can't add, you keep x plus y as x plus y. So root 2 plus root 3 remains root 2 plus root 3. You cannot add it further. Yes. So suppose I have 5 root 7 minus 2 root 7. So 5 times root 7 minus 2 times root 7 gives you 3 times root 7. That is, we can add or subtract the surd numbers provided they are the same. You cannot do anything for this. This remains as it is. Suppose I have root of 10 minus root of 8. Again, you can't do anything. It remains as it is. Root 10 minus root 8 remains as it is, right? So, understand these surd numbers and then add or subtract them. Suppose I have now, say, 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus root 3 minus 6 root 2 plus 7 root 3. Yes? Now, all of you understand this and this will get combined because they are all root 2. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2, 8 root 2 minus 6 root 2 would be 2 root 2. Now, root 3 plus 7 root 3, 1 time plus 7 time, that is 8 root 3. This only remains the answer. You cannot further combine the terms here. right? So I am giving you some questions for addition and subtraction of these irrational numbers which you are going to work on your own. So 4 root 8 minus 5 root 8 plus 6 root 8. All of you work on it. Then 9 root 3 plus 4 root 3 plus root 2 minus 2 root 5. Be careful in calculations. 15 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 16 root 2. The fourth one, 7 root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 7 root 5. It's obvious these two will get cancelled and this will be the answer. You work on it. So 10 root 15 plus 2 root 15 minus 3 root 15. Yes, all of you work on these questions and enjoy working on irrational numbers and calculating them. Right? Bye. Thank you.